Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Monday the 17th of September 2018, and we are going to take a look at the game to the PLN technical picture. We are going to start our analysis on a daily time frame chart. So as we can see here, since the 8th of the January this year, the dominant trend at this market is down. So this is quite obvious for everyone who is trading the game. And right now, if we just take a look here at the recent price developments from, let's say, the beginning of the August 2018, we can see that these changes on the game are very small, which means that the general interest in game cryptocurrency is very low right now, because as you can see here, the candles are much bigger, right? So the interest is down, but the volume is kind of you know, at least average. But the main volume here is obviously the red one, which means the volume is down volume, right? So this is not very good message for bulls. So if we just zoom in, let me just zoom a little bit more here. If we just zoom in to this latest developments here, we can mark the support levels. The one was here, but it was actually, as you can see, broken, and we got this slight pin bar here, right? This slight pin bar here, and then we got an up candle, the next one, and the volume is pretty decent here. So we might mark the support here, and this is like a 0.56 here on this level. So right now we can make another level. Let's say it will be somewhere here, and that will be our obviously resistance level, right? So right now the price is locked between these two levels, 0.96, 0.56, and this is rather cheap price for the game right now. So we might, as a traders and analysts, take the opportunity of this low prices. But the first thing is that the dominant trend is still down. So if the trend is down, we are obviously interested in trading with the trend, right? But because the price is very low right now, we might be assuming that sooner or later this trend will finally be completed, right? Will terminate. But we have to wait for the clues for signs from the market that the trend is being in reverse mode, right? So what should be bulls looking for if they want to trend to reverse to the uptrend? First thing is the local technical resistance, 0.96. This level must be violated, right? If we just make another, let's say, technical level, this will be 1.60, and the price should go from 0.96 to 1.60 next if this level is broken. So let's just mark it with the arrow. So after this level, the next one will be that one, yeah? So this is it. Two most important levels. But of course, these two levels are not enough for the trend to reverse, because if we just zoom out for a little bit, you can see that this decrease is pretty decent here. So the most important level is somewhere around 6.62. This is the game changing level, and before this level there is one more, as I can see here, which is pretty important as well. As you can see, the price reacted here and reacted even here on this level. So if we just leave it like that, we can we can add one more arrow and leave it here. So those are the most important levels in the game in the long term, right? So if we want the trade to reverse and you want to have a confirmation that the trend is really reversing, right? So those levels marked with these blue arrows must be violated. If those levels are not broken, are not violated, the downtrend will continue. But please notice once again, the prices for the game right now are pretty cheap, right? Because historically we got game for the price of 24.72. That was the historical high for the game. So this is pretty much very cheap level for one game, right? 0.56. It's right now kind of a cheap. So please have this in your mind when you will be considering the game cryptocurrency. That's it. That's my analysis in this short video. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys next time. Bye bye.